Respected dignitaries on the dais, PTA President and all the members, my dear colleagues, dear students, today we are not only celebrating the Teachers' Day, we are also commemorating the great personality, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, not only an educator, a great philosopher and great statesman. Most of the dignitaries on the dais told the role of the teachers. What is the role of the teachers? How they have to work? What is their responsibility? Only few words, my throat is not supporting to speak today. All of us know that teachers play a very important role not only in the academic development of a student, but also in shaping every fabric in the nation. They saw the seeds of character, ethics, and dreams. Then they watered them and wait patiently, and they saw the growing these characters into towering trees to lead the nation. A school, everyone recognizes school by its infrastructure, by its achievements. But for me, the school is recognized by the teachers. It is their passion, their dedication, their commitment that turn the rock and mortar structure into a temple of learning. So, we should remember one story. A person asked with the sculptor, he asked with the sculptor how you can turn a rock into a wonderful statue. The sculptor answered the question very interestingly. He said that I will not do much work. The statue, the beautiful statue is already there, but I will remove only the useless things what is covered. So the work of the teacher is the same thing. The teacher has to find the potentiality what the child is having and just clear their doubts, and definitely a child become a good citizen as well as a knowledgeable person. My request with the students today on this occasion, you know that the second mother is considered as a teacher. Teacher is our second mother. They always guides you. They always show the path. So just a gesture, a gratitude like thank you goes a long way. Your thank you will be enough for them because in your learning process, the teacher is playing a very good role that you should not forget. You know that teaching is a noble task. As our brother said, wherever engineers or doctors, they're all made by the teachers. And a good word to my teacher, you don't be sad, because there was a saying, ಏನು ಬೇಡದವನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. But ಏನು ಬೇಡದವನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅತ್ಯಗತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಆಳುವ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರು ಆದದ್ದು ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಂದಲೇ. ಸೊ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನೋಬಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್, ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಗುರು. That is my opinion. I know that teaching is a very hard work. You have to go late nights. You have to get up very early. You have to spend extra time with the student. But don't worry, the proof will be there. When a person or a child become a good citizen, that is enough for the students. So thank you for choosing me for a Shikshana Ratna award. I don't know on what basis the Christ King has selected me for the Shikshana Ratna. So very, very thankful from my heart to the committee as well as the PTA, and thanks to all the teachers as well as my dear students. Thank you one and all.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುರೇಖಾ ರಾಜ್ರವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆ. ದಾಖಲಾತಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ.